Hi, it's EasyOrElse with the project I call Nature's Angels. My inner challenge was, what can I make with what is already around me? So I went shopping in the woods on a crisp, sunny November day. It was awesome. So let's do this. Once you gather your materials, be prepared to make kind of a mess. Heat up your glue gun and dive in. But be patient. Each angel is a process. They can't be mass-produced. Each angel takes 3 things. You need a head, a body, and then something for the wings. You could use raffia, barbed wire, some kind of rope, ribbon, or feathers. Go ahead and glue the head on. And on this one, I already glued on a star, some wire arms, and a wire halo. You may have to add some rock or stick behind the head to help hold it, since it's just a round stone. Each body angel will kind of tell you what it's gonna need. On this, I'll add a grass piece on the head, and then maybe a hanger. I used baling wire that kept that rustic look and was very easy to bend. Where we live, we have a lot of manzanita wood. It's pretty much everywhere, and it has this twisted fiber look that's perfect for giving each piece a kind of movement. On this one, you can see the arms and the dress. So I found a stone that matched the size. The wings don't have to stick out on both sides. On this one, I think I'll just put the wings off the back, as if she's in flight. So just keep gluing each piece, holding until it's firm, and then cut away any parts that are sticking out. And remember, there's no wrong or right way. Just keep playing around with it until you like it. Once the main body is finished, you can add any extra elements along with that hanging wire to finish it off. These turn out just beautiful, and they're so unique, just like each one of us. So I hope this gives you some ideas to try. Before you leave, remember to hit like and subscribe.